The Weather Service, South African Weather Service, has issued multiple weather warnings across KZN. Nhlanhla Sithole is the weather forecaster at the Durban Weather Office, and he joins us right now. Good morning, Nhlanhla.
Good morning, East Coast Radio.
Nhlanhla, we're phoning you directly because we don't want to get a report forwarded and then translated and then forwarded. We have trauma from the last time there were forecasts, and some of us flew to Cape Town and left our families here to watch the bridges wash away. So can you tell us exactly which warnings have been issued today and which areas will be affected? Do we know?
All right, I will just take you through the weather systems that we are working with at the moment. So we do have a cold front that's already slipped south of the country. The cold front is followed by a strong region high pressure system, and we also have a upper air current flow that will be situated over the southern interior of the country. These systems will bring about isolated to scattered and possibly widespread showers and thunder showers over the province. And obviously we have a couple of warnings, as you've already mentioned. We have a yellow level 2. Yellow level 2 means a high likelihood of minor impacts. And the yellow level 2 is for disruptive rainfall expected over the central parts of KZN this afternoon until the evening. The disruptive rainfall will result in localized flooding, might also get some low-lying areas and bridges flooded, and some vehicles might get into minor vehicle accidents due to slippery roads and reduced visibility over the central parts of the province. We also have a yellow level 4 warning also for disruptive rainfall, and yellow level 4 means a low likelihood of significant impacts. This warning is expected over along the coast and adjacent interior of the province today until tomorrow morning. And we also have a yellow level 2 warning for snowfall over the southwestern mountains as well as the southwestern high ground.
Nhlanhla, so you are confirming the weather report that we have received, but Carmen has a question on the numbers.
Yeah, also, can we just chat? It's level 2 for snow. What does that mean around in millimeters, and then just how long will that snow last in those areas? When will it melt?
In terms of the snowfall, we do not look at it in millimeters. We rather look at it in depth, in centimeters. And it shouldn't be as thick as the one expected over the southeastern Eastern Cape. So in terms of the depth, it should be around, say, 2 to possibly 10 centimeters over the mountainous areas of the southwestern parts of KZN.
So, Nhlanhla, sorry, Sky, you see, what Carmen is doing here is she's getting snow information, not a snow warning. It's our warning, Carmen.
Snow information.
We're not going to the snow.
No one said I was going to do that.
So, okay, so now you've given us all the information, the warnings. How do we now prepare for this expected weather? Work from home? Do you what do you propose?
Yeah, I mean, obviously we do recommend working from home because in our instructions we try and warn people against crossing swollen rivers and swollen streams. And obviously for people living in rural areas and have livestock, we highly recommend them to move them to higher ground. And other instructions obviously include taking precaution when traveling because of potholes that we have in our infrastructure. You might just get into a minor accident hitting a pothole, and obviously you don't cross a swollen river even when you're driving a car. And if you do get into a situation where you get stuck in a flooded area in a car, you have to abandon it and climb to higher ground.
There we go. Thank you so much, Nhlanhla Sithole. That is the weather forecaster at the Durban Weather Office. Thank you for joining us.
So,
East Coast Breakfast with Darren, Sky and Carmen.